Divine Echoes Deep Dive, where we delve into the mystical, the esoteric, and the profoundly spiritual. I'm your host, Christopher Little, and in today's deep dive we'll be exploring the 5 elements in Magick. Understanding these elements is crucial for any practitioner, as they form the foundation of many magical practices and rituals. Let's begin by understanding what we mean by the 5 elements. These elements, earth, water, air, fire, and spirit, are the building blocks of the natural world and are used in magic to symbolize various aspects of existence. Each element has its own unique properties and correspondences, which we can tap into during our rituals and magical workings. First, we have earth, the element of stability, grounding, and fertility. It represents the physical realm, including our bodies, homes, and material possessions. When working with earth, you might use herbs, stones, and crystals, all of which are connected to this element. Earth is associated with the north, the color green, and the season of winter. It's a grounding force that helps us stay connected to reality and provides the stability needed for growth and transformation. Earth energy is deeply connected to our sense of stability and security. It governs our physical health, wealth, and our home environment. When we work with earth energy, we focus on grounding ourselves, building strong foundations, and fostering growth. The grounding force of earth helps us stay connected to reality, providing the stability necessary for personal transformation. Spiritual practices might include rituals with plants and stones, working in the garden, or engaging in physical activities like hiking to feel more connected to the earth. Next, we have water, the element of emotion, intuition, and purification. Water represents our emotional and subconscious selves, making it a powerful element for healing and divination. This element is associated with the west, the color blue, and the season of autumn. When working with water, you might use seashells, water itself, or any items connected to the sea or bodies of water. Water teaches us to flow and adapt, to be flexible and open to change. Water is closely tied to our subconscious and emotional states. It is a powerful agent of healing and purification, helping us wash away negativity and emotional blockages. Water rituals might include taking ritual baths, working with healing waters from natural springs, or meditating near bodies of water. In divination, water can enhance our intuitive abilities, making it easier to access inner wisdom and subconscious insights. Air is the element of intellect, communication, and inspiration. It represents the mind, thoughts, and our ability to communicate and understand abstract concepts. Air is associated with the east, the color yellow, and the season of spring. Items like feathers, incense, and bells are commonly used when working with air. This element encourages us to think clearly, to communicate effectively, and to seek out new ideas and inspiration. Air energy is associated with clarity of thought, communication, and the pursuit of knowledge. It encourages us to think critically, communicate effectively, and be open to new ideas. Air rituals might involve using incense to purify a space, working with sound like bells to shift energy, or engaging in breath work to enhance mental clarity. This element inspires creativity and intellectual exploration, aiding us in our quests for knowledge and understanding. Fire is the element of passion, transformation, and willpower. It represents our inner drive, creativity, and the power to bring about change. Fire is associated with the south, the color red, and the season of summer. Candles, flames, and any items related to heat and light are commonly used in fire magic. Fire teaches us to harness our inner power, to transform and purify, and to act with courage and determination. Fire's transformative energy is all about harnessing our inner strength and power. It encourages us to be bold, take action, and embrace change. Fire rituals involve working with candles or flames, using fire to release old patterns and ignite new possibilities. This element is also associated with purification, burning away impurities to reveal our true essence. Fire helps us connect with our passions and desires, driving us to achieve our goals with determination and courage. Finally, we have spirit, the element that connects and encompasses all others. Spirit represents the divine, the ether, and our connection to the universe and higher consciousness. It is the quintessence, the fifth element that transcends and unites earth, water, air, and fire. Spirit is associated with the color white or violet, and is not tied to any specific direction or season. When we work with spirit, we tap into the universal energy that flows through all things, seeking unity and enlightenment. Spirit is the essence that infuses all things with life and consciousness. It's the unifying force that connects us to the universe and our higher selves. When we work with spirit, we engage in practices that elevate our consciousness and promote spiritual enlightenment. This might include meditation, prayer, or connecting with spiritual entities and guides. Spirit encourages us to seek unity and transcendence, helping us to understand our place in the cosmos and our connection to the greater whole. By understanding and working with these elements, we can achieve greater harmony and balance in our lives, tapping into the vast wellspring of energy that they represent. Understanding these elements can greatly enhance our magical practices. Whether you're casting a circle, performing a ritual, or simply meditating, calling upon these elements can bring balance and power to your workings. You can create an altar dedicated to each element, carry talismans, or simply meditate on the qualities and correspondences of each element to deepen your connection. Earth Elemental Rituals. Grounding Ritual. Find a quiet outdoor space where you can sit or stand barefoot. Close your eyes and visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, deeply penetrating the earth. Feel the energy of the earth grounding you and providing stability. You can enhance this ritual by holding a stone or crystal that resonates with you. Gardening Ritual. Engage in the act of planting or tending to a garden. As you work with the soil, focus on your intentions for growth and stability in your life. Offer a small gift to the earth, such as seeds or a crystal, as a token of gratitude. Earth Altar. Create an altar with items that represent the earth element, such as stones, crystals, plants, and images of animals associated with earth. Use this space for meditation, reflection, and grounding exercises. Water Element Rituals. Purification Ritual. Fill a bowl with water and add a pinch of salt. Use this water to cleanse your hands, face, or any objects you wish to purify. As you do so, visualize the water washing away negativity and emotional blockages. Moon Water Ritual. Place a container of water outside under the light of the full moon. Allow the water to absorb the moon's energy overnight. Use this charged moon water for rituals, drinking, or anointing to enhance your intuition and emotional healing. Bathing Ritual. Draw a bath and add sea salt, essential oils, and flower petals. As you soak in the water, meditate on releasing emotional burdens and opening yourself to healing and renewal. Air element rituals. Breathwork ritual. Practice deep breathing exercises to clear your mind and enhance mental clarity. Focus on inhaling fresh, energizing air and exhaling stagnant, negative energy. Visualize the air element cleansing and refreshing your thoughts. Feather ritual. Use a feather to gently brush your aura, starting from your head and moving down to your feet. This ritual helps to clear and lighten your energy field. You can also use the feather to fan incense smoke around yourself or your space. Sound ritual. Incorporate sound into your rituals by using bells, wind chimes, or a singing bowl. Allow the vibrations to purify your space and elevate your consciousness. Chanting or singing can also be a powerful way to connect with the air element. Fire element rituals. Candle ritual. Light a candle and focus on the flame. Meditate on your intentions for transformation, willpower, and creativity. Visualize the fire burning away obstacles and igniting your inner passion. You can also write down what you wish to release and safely burn the paper in the candle flame. Fire scrying. Sit in front of a fire or a lit candle and gaze into the flames. Allow your mind to enter a meditative state and observe any images or insights that come to you. Fire scrying can reveal hidden truths and ignite inspiration. Bonfire ritual. If you have access to an outdoor space, build a bonfire and invite friends or family to join you. Share your intentions for transformation and renewal, and symbolically cast items into the fire to release old patterns and make way for new beginnings. Spirit element rituals. Meditation ritual. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Focus on your breath and visualize a column of white or violet light connecting you to the universe and your higher self. Allow this light to fill you with a sense of unity and enlightenment. Prayer or invocation. Create a sacred space and call upon your spiritual guides, deities, or the universe. Offer a prayer or invocation to seek guidance, protection, and connection to the divine. You can use items like incense, candles, or a special altar to enhance the ritual. Energy work. Practice energy healing techniques such as Reiki or chakra balancing to align your energy with the universal life force. Visualize the spirit element flowing through you, healing and harmonizing your entire being. Feel free to adapt these rituals to your personal preferences and spiritual beliefs. Rituals are powerful tools for connecting with the elements and enhancing your spiritual practice. And now, let's move into our guided meditation. This meditation will help you call the quarters and create a sphere of protection around yourself, safeguarding you from psychic attacks. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Begin by visualizing yourself standing in a sacred space, a place where you feel safe and connected. Imagine a circle of light surrounding you, a protective barrier that keeps out any negative energy. Turn to the east and call upon the element of air. Feel the breeze gently blowing, carrying with it clarity, inspiration, and communication. Say, I call upon the element of air to guard this space and bring clarity and wisdom. Turn to the south and call upon the element of fire. Feel the warmth and the passion igniting your inner strength and willpower. Say, I call upon the element of fire to guard this space and bring transformation and courage. Turn to the west and call upon the element of water. Feel the flowing currents bringing intuition, healing, and emotional balance. Say, I call upon the element of water to guard this space and bring healing and peace. Turn to the north and call upon the element of earth. Feel the solid ground beneath your feet, providing stability, grounding, and protection. Say, I call upon the element of earth to guard this space and bring stability and strength. Now, imagine these elements coming together, their energies intertwining and creating a powerful sphere of light around you. This sphere is impenetrable, protecting you from any harm or psychic attacks. Feel the strength and protection of this sphere, knowing that you are safe and secure. Take a moment to thank the elements for their presence and protection. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying with you the sense of protection and peace. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 5 elements in Magick and our guided meditation. I hope you feel empowered and protected. Until next time, may your path be illuminated with wisdom and light.